Oh my god, you don't know terror until you crash a drone. I have never been so scared in my life. This is how you clean on the road. This is white vinegar. Spray. No water, no scrubbing. Good as new. At first I wanted to be like, yo, I'm just gonna go. No plan. I'm just gonna see where the road takes me. Problem is, I'm driving through Kentucky and I'm like, yo, where am I going? And I gotta find something. And I found out the one I want to go to I already passed 200 miles ago. So I need to come up with a game plan, because if I don't do it now, I'm gonna have to do it on the go. Anyways, yeah, we're in Kentucky. I want to go to this place that I can't even remember what it's called. Nor do I really remember what it looks like, since I decided to go here a few hours ago and I've been driving this whole time. I met these awesome people that were also flying drones. There was 3 drones in the air at one point. That's like the most exciting part that I didn't expect, is just meeting random people on the road, just normal people that are out, just like we connect on photography or video, and we just follow each other on Instagram. It's super cool. I wanted to close out this video talking about, since this video has no direction really, is kind of the mental battles I've already started to face that I can feel myself coming onto after even like 2 days. Even if I'm living this dream life, it doesn't like feel like it in the moment. It looks like it, and the way I put together videos and do pictures and stuff, it feels like it's like, wow, that guy's fucking killing it. But to me, it's just my normal life. You know, I still carry with me all the demons, all the fucking anxiety, the overthinking, the stress. Like, that doesn't like disappear. I still, at the end of the day, have to go to sleep, sit there with my thoughts. I still have to drive to all these places where I'm just sitting there with my thoughts. You know, I haven't just like destroyed all of my mental health issues just by traveling. I mean, traveling's great, and I don't feel this like impending sense of discontentment, but I still am like stressing. You know, I'm like, okay, where do I go next? It doesn't quite feel like the dream traveling thing, because I'm still figuring it out, and I know that. But I just want you to know that it's not everything that it seems like on video that you see from all these people who are traveling the world. They still have to deal with normal shit. I mean, it's just in a different context. So that's just the one thing I wanted to leave you with. This place is absolutely beautiful. It's just all from the drone footage, and I'm so excited to keep doing this and get better at it. I'm learning how to do drones better. I'm learning how to do like manual settings in the drone. Also, I have so many ideas for videos, like day in the lives, morning routines, nighttime routines, things that surprised me that I didn't think I would be dealing with that I am dealing with, and things that I thought I would be dealing with that I'm not dealing with. So there's just so many crazy things that have happened just the last 2 days, so I'm so excited to have you on the journey. Please drop a like in this video if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, join the voyage. Peace.